Hello, my name is Jan Mattes. I'm Chief Product Owner of SAP Signavio Process Analysis and Mining, and I will now show you how you can leverage the new improvement opportunities for Maverick spend to optimize your procure-to-payment processes. So you are aware that we have been investing into start pages which allow you to bring all of your tiles and process analysis insights into such a start page as you see it here for procure-to-pay. With our new release, we've been introducing now something in addition, which is out-of-the-box dashboard, so-called improvement opportunities. And those improvement opportunities are nothing else than a list of tiles which help you to improve certain perspectives of your business. For instance, the Maverick spend. Maverick spend is basically the problem of users not complying to your purchase processes. So for instance, they procure without having a purchase order, or they procure without having a purchase requisition, or even don't follow what is agreed with the supplier in the info record or the outline agreements. This is what you can see here on that dashboard. Of course, if you want to understand deeper what Maverick spend is, you can also Google it and basically use AI to find help. But guess what? They recommend to leverage spend analysis tools, and process insights, as you see it here, and that specific dashboard might be exactly the answer to that. So let's now drill into one of the tiles I see here. This is the purchase order items without purchase requisition reference. We have 0 supplier invoices which do not without a purchase order, which is great. But now let's see how many we have where no purchase requisition was met. I drill down into that widget now and see the data. And what you recognize right away is not only the percentage distribution of such items, but also that the item count is going down, which is actually a positive sign. But if you look deeper into the benchmarks and compare your own business with other businesses in the very same industry, in this case, your professional services, then you see you are basically outperformed by your competitors. And that's basically something you want to prevent. Basically, you want to be better than your competition. And so that's basically the idea about those improvement opportunity dashboards. And here specifically to Maverick buying behavior or Maverick spend, we might also check the number of purchase order items where the purchasing info record was not compliant to what has been agreed. And also here we see the number. And again, it's a number going down, but our value and our performance compared to other businesses is quite the same. So I hope you like what you have seen and stay tuned for more videos.